Good morning, student. I am Dr. I am taking your B.Pharm Science first as a practical lab for the pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. And today's object is to perform the limit test of chloride in a given sample. So, firstly, like the definition of limit test is the defined as a semi-quantitative and quantitative determination of a small amount of impurity present in the prescribed pharmaceutical substances. And then there is a observation table which we are taking the today's practical how to perform the test and standard. First, we like to make a glassware which is used in this limit test. This is Nestle standard. First, we draw the Nestle standard. One for like a test and another for taking a standard, and then label this test and standard. The test will be the first we have to dissolve 1 gram of magnesium sulfate is about 10 ml of distilled water and Nestle standard and labeled as a test. Second one, we are taking the 10 ml of dilute nitric acid in this Nestle standard, and third one we dilute the 50 ml of distilled water for making the mark of this Nestle standard. And lastly, we added the 5% weight by volume of the silver nitrate solution. Then there is another is comparing for standard which is prescribed in the Indian Pharmacopeia. There is a place with the 1 ml of 0.0585% weight by volume in an NaCl sodium chloride in an acid standard firstly and labeled as a standard. Then we are taking a 9 ml of distilled water in this standard Nestle standard. Then add 10 ml of dilute nitric acid. Then dilute the 50 ml mark with the distilled water, and then added the 1 ml of 5% weight by volume in the silver nitrate solution. So how to will we make? There is a first 5% weight by volume AgSO2 solution. We have taken a 5 gram of silver nitrate and dissolve 100 ml of distilled water in 100 ml of distilled water. Then there is one more thing to be known that the Nestle standard to mark with the 50 ml both the Nestle standard, and this there is a chemical reaction in this limit test. Firstly, there is a chloride react with silver nitrate in presence of dilute nitric acid and AgCl plus sodium nitrate. There is a chloride is a soluble thing, and silver nitrate is also the soluble, and there is a AgCl that may create the precipitate. There is a in comparison which is in this limit test is by opalescence. Opalescence means there is a no precipitate or not a transparent, but the opalescence means that there is a only जैसे आप देखेंगे धुंधलापन जो होता है उसके अनुसार इसको बोलते हैं आप opalescence. So first we compare this test and standard as a opalescence. If the test opalescence is less as compared to the standard, that means the test will be passed because the impurity of the chloride in the test in the Nestle standard is less as compared to the standard. तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, इसका कंपैरिजन करते हैं लिमिट टेस्ट में opalescence से impurity का, and then there is some dilute. Why dilute HNO3 is used in this limit test? Because the nitric acid to prevent the precipitation of an acid radicals, another acid radicals, only chloride may get precipitate. क्योंकि जो भी dilute nitric acid है वो क्या करता है, जितने भी acid radicals जो impurities जो प्रेजेंट होती है सैंपल में हमारे, उसके अलावा जो क्लोराइड है उसको impurity को precipitate करके वो ZeCl के रूप में ओपालिसेंस देता है, जिसके कारण हम इसको बाद में कंपेरिजन कर सकते हैं।